Welcome back, Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin, joining us this noon. Hi, Angie.
Hello.
How are you? We're in March now. Can you believe
I know.
it?
March is here, and it's a big week for Wisconsin cheesemakers. We have the World Competition happening right here in Madison. So I have a recipe that features some of the previous award winners.
And this looks really yummy.
I'm very excited for you to try it. So this is an air fryer aged Gouda croquette.
That is a
yes,
different kind of, yes.
Very popular, though. It actually looks like almost like a giant cheese curd, but it actually is a hand-breaded, and then you put it in the air fryer, and it is filled with lots of dairy goodness. So first of all, you're going to start making some mashed potatoes. You can cook those in the oven and mash them up. Then you're going to actually saute some onions, so 1 onion, and then you're going to add in bacon and butter and lots of Wisconsin cheese.
All the good stuff.
All the good stuff. They're very rich in the middle. You're going to roll them into balls, and then you have a panko crumb mixture that you're going to put them in the air fryer. So very delicious. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes in the air fryer, and then it's a homemade cherry sauce with them as well. So
nice and quick. I think that's what's awesome, is it really goes to show how simple these recipes can be, but also putting all that Wisconsin in it too.
So as you're watching the March Madness, you can have some homemade croquettes, and this features the Marika aged Gouda. It's aged for 4 to 6 months. It's actually handmade, but it's made from raw milk on the farm, so it's a true farmstead Gouda, and it's actually one of the previous world winners. So
that's awesome.
Marika has won over 200 awards for her cheeses across the country. So we're just featuring one of these cheeses, but you know, Wisconsin wins more awards than for our cheese than any other state or country.
And always looking for that proudly Wisconsin badge.
Yes, we've trained you well. So always looking for that Wisconsin cheese badge. So here are a few other flavors of hers. She makes a lot of different unique flavors. This was actually her first winner at the World Cheese Championship contest, but it was the fenugreek Gouda. And it actually has a spice that tastes a little bit like maple syrup, so it has a really sweet, nutty flavor to it.
It certainly does.
Yeah, and then the other one is a honey clover Gouda, so you can taste the earthiness of the honey clover, but then also mixed with the sweetness of the nutty Gouda. So really some fun flavors and varieties of some of these specialty Wisconsin cheeses.
That's really good too. And I love how just a difference in cheese can make all the difference in your recipe too.
Absolutely, and you know, Wisconsin makes over 600 different varieties, types, and styles of cheeses, so lots of experimenting to do, but this rich Gouda, the aged Gouda, is wonderful for this appetizer.
Good stuff. I'm going to dig into this while I'm doing that. How can people reach out to you with questions?
Well, you can find this recipe, and you can learn more about our cheese makers and recipes and pairings at wisconsincheese.com.
Oh, that is good. That is good.
I'm
Angie,
glad you
thank
like
you.
it. Thank you.